Good morning, students. Welcome to our social class. Last week, ancient தமிழகம் பற்றி பார்த்தோம். அதோட introduction பார்த்தோம். இன்னைக்கு lesson பார்க்கலாம். கவனிங்க. Learning objectives. Greatness of the town of ancient தமிழகம். Let us go for the lesson. Learning objectives of this lesson are to learn about the greatness of the towns of ancient Tamilagam, to know about Pumbugar, Madurai and Kanchi, to understand the ancient kingdoms of Tamilagam, to gain knowledge about crafts, markets, manufactures, maritime trade and education and water management in ancient Tamilagam. Wow, you look pretty in your new dress, Tamilini. Ma'am, today is her birthday. Wish you a happy birthday, Tamilini. Thank you, ma'am. Okay, children, shall we start today's class from Tamilini's birthday? How come, ma'am? What is the connection between Tamilini's birthday and today's class? There is. Tamil. Is Chennai your hometown? No, ma'am. My hometown is Kadavur, near Karur. Good. Do you have the habit of visiting your hometown? Yes, ma'am. Every summer I visit my hometown. Excellent. Can you tell me difference between Kadavur and Chennai? Kadavur is a village. Chennai is a city. Excellent. Can you tell what were the earliest planned cities of ancient India? Harappa and Mohenjo-daro, ma'am. Yes, very good, children. Today we are going to study about the ancient towns of Tamilagam. Okay, ma'am. See, we are started today's lesson with Tamilini's birthday. Yes, ma'am. Like Harappa and Mohenjo-daro in ancient India, there were famous towns in ancient Tamilagam too. Madurai, Kanchi and Bumbugar are prominent among them. Tamil literature, apostrophe foreign travelers and archaeologists finds provides us information about the ancient towns of Tamilagam. Let's see these towns one by one. Pumbugar, one of the ancient town. Pumbugar is oldest towns in ancient Tamilagam. This is main characters of Silappatikaram, Kovalan and Kannagi. Ports were established for facilitating maritime trade. In times, countries began to export their surplus products and import scarce commodities by the sea. Pumbugar is the coastal town near the present day of Mayiladuthurai and is located where your river Kaveri drains into sea. Pumbugar Port. Pumbugar is also known by the names such as Puhar and Kaveri Pumbattinam. It served as a port of early Chola kingdom. Sangam literature Pattinapalai and Tamil epics Silappatikaram and Manimegalai have references to brisk sea-borne trade that took place on the port city Puhar. Silappatikaram speaks about the greatness of Pumbugar. The two female characters of Kannagi and Manegan, father name is Manegan, sea traders are known as Manegan. The main characters, Kovalan's father is Masathuvan. Masathuvan means a big trader. That is, big trader, sea trader has settled down. The big traders and sea traders have settled down. New merchants from Rome and Greece. Due to desire and continuous trade, many of them stayed on indefinitely in Pumbuhar. There are evidences of foreign settlements of the town. The people speaking many languages in natives learn foreign languages and foreigners learn Tamil. This enabled the native students foreign languages for communication. Similarly, the foreigners also learned Tamil to communicate the natives. This contact facilitated not only exchange of goods but also languages and ideas, resulting in construct building. Pattinapalai. The traders of Puhar were known of the honesty and integrity. We saw goods at legitimate prices. Pattinapalai states sell any commodities at a higher price was considered bad. Kadiyalur Urutti Ranganath belonged to 2nd century. This is indicated of Puhar's antiquity. Goods import and export from Puhar. Goods imported, horses were imported by sea. Sandal from West Ghats, ports from Sabils Wells, corals from Eastern Sea and food items from Elam were imported. Prepare was produced through the land routes. Gold from Vadamalai was polished and exported to overseas. Pumbuhar town planning. Pumbuhar had been built differently from other towns. Each social group had a separate settlement. Streets were broad and straight. There was also Pumbuhar was a busy port up to 200 AD. It might have been either washed away by sea or destroyed by big shore waves. The remains of the destruction can still be seen in present Pumbuhar town. Next we are going to see about Madurai, the other ancient Tamilagam's town. Madurai has been one of the oldest city in India. Pandyas, the Cholas and the later Calabras ruled Madurai in ancient period. During medieval times, later Cholas and later Pandyas followed by the Nayaks ruled this historic town. It's a result in the cultural building, trade also flourished. Evidence for this unreaded in archaeological excavation done in Keeladi near Madurai. Tamil Sangam. Madurai is proudly associated with Tamil Sangam, that is academies, which both for promotion of Tamil language. 49 poets were associated with last Sangam. Tunga Naharam. Madurai had Nalangadi and Alangadi. Nalangadi day market and Alangadi is evening market. Madurai is known as Tunga Naharam, the city that is never sleeps. Madurai was a safe place where women purchased things from Alangadi without any fear. That is from any market without any fear. Import and export of Madurai. Ahil, fragrant wood, was brought from Port Tondi to Madurai. King Solomon of ancient Israel imported pearls from Uvarai near Pandian Portkai. A mint of Roman coins was present at Madurai. The coins of other countries were also minted at Madurai. It's a proof for the glory of Madurai. Foreign accounts about Madurai. A famous Madurai is attested by the Greek historian Megasthenes. Chanakya, Chandragupta's minister, makes a mention of Madurai in his books. Arthasastra. Moat around the town tunnels had been constructed in such as a way even elephants could comfortably enter. In next ancient town is Kanchipuram. Several schools were established for the first time in Kanchipuram. Jains studied in Jainamithli, Buddhists studied in Viharas. Chinese traveller Heng Suang, who studied at the Nalanda University, visited Kanchi Kadigai to purchase his further studies. Kanchi's greatness. Poet Kalidas says Kanchi is the best from the towns. Tamil poet Saint Tirunavukarasu praises Kanchi as Kalviin Kalaillada Kanchi. Heng Suang reminds that Kanchi became as the one of the 7 sacred places and Buddhaya and Sanchi. Scholars like Dharmapalai, Jodhipala, Sumati and Bodhi Dharma was born in Kanchi. Kanchi is also known as the temple city. The famous temples of great architecture beauty, Kailasanatha temple, was built by later Pallava King Rajasimha at Kanchi. During the Pallava period, a large number of temples were built. The Buddhist monk of Manimegalai spent the last speaks highly Kanchi's water management. Water management create an important role in the gradient society in this. Hundreds of lakes were created for storing water around the town of Kanchi. These lakes were well connected with canals. During the period Kanchi, known as district of lakes. Water management skills of ancient Tamils can be understood from the construction of Kallanai in the Chola country and the lakes and canals in Kanchi. Other towns of ancient Tamilagam. Apart from Pumbugar, Madurai and Kanchi and other towns too in ancient Tamilagam, Korkai, Vanji, Tondi, Urayir, Musiri, Karur, Mamallapuram, Tanjai, Tagudu and Kayal are some of other towns. Tamil sayings represented by the uniqueness of each ancient Tamil kingdom. Chola Nadu, Sorunadaithu, that was rice in abundance. Pandiya Nadu, Muthudaithu, that is pearls in abundance. Chera Nadu, Velamudaithu, elephants in abundance. Tondai Nadu, Sanjodaithu, that is scholars in abundance. Let's see the present day Tamil districts for ancient kingdoms. Cheranadu comprised Malayalam speaking regions and Tamil districts of Coimbatore, Nilgiris, Karur, Kanyakumari and some parts of present Kerala. Cholanadu comprised of present day Tanjavur, Tiruvarur, Nagai, Trichy and Pudukkottai districts. Pandiyanadu rest while composite Madurai, Ramanathapuram, Sivagangai, Thoothukudi and Tirunelveli districts. Tondai Nadu at the present day Kanchipuram, Dharmaburi, Tiruvallur, Tiruvannamalai, Velur and northern parts of Viluppuram district. Students, let's recap a lesson. Madurai, Kanchi and Pumbugar are famous towns in ancient Tamilagam. We know about the life people of Pumbugar by reading Silappatikaram and Pattinapalai. Madurai was a trading town. Madurai is associated with the 3 Sangams. Kanchi was an educational center. Many great scholars were associated with it. Kanchi is known as a city of temple, was also known for a water management. I hope you children all are know about this lesson very well. Please go through the book and book back question answers. Okay, thank you pa.